Welcome home to Red Oak. Today we're at Milford Trails Apartments and Storage, where we're taking a video tour of a huge 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment home on the first floor. This apartment home has been completely remodeled top to bottom. We're on the way into your kitchen. There is a closet here that houses great shelving that is adjustable for your pantry items. Wood style flooring throughout is brand new. Brand new appliances, including your glass top electric range, microwave, soft close cabinets, two-tone. You have white on top, gray on bottom, solid surface countertops, brushed stainless hardware, nice deep sink with that task lighting above, dishwasher. You have a stainless steel refrigerator. That door to the right is one of your 2 entry and exit points. There's lots of room in this eat-in kitchen for a table and chairs. Your second entry and exit point is straight ahead there. And as you can see, this is an open concept area, so this flows right into your living room with lots and lots of space for furnishing. You have a wall unit air conditioner. The sliding glass doors go out to your own private patio overlooking the wooded lot. Again, air conditioning unit. You have vertical blinds that are included. And the amenities here are fantastic, including an on-site management office. There is a community pool, which is a great place to get to meet your neighbors. This closet, again, has adjustable shelving, and it is so deep. You can fit lots of belongings in here. And as we head into your hallway, even more storage behind these gorgeous 6-panel doors. Huge coat closet, lots of room for hanging coats, lots of room for storage on that shelf, and perhaps shoes on the bottom there. We're cat and large dog friendly. You can have up to 2 pets, and your dogs will enjoy the on-site dog park. This is the primary bedroom, which is huge. You have a double window with mini blinds, letting lots of natural light into the space. You can easily fit a king-size bed. Enormous, enormous closet. When I walk over and show you, I'm not even sure that a walk-in closet has as much space as there is. This is nearly the whole wall. Amazing. Again, adjustable shelving. There is a basketball court on site as well as a playground. And if all this storage you've seen isn't enough, there's even on-site drive-up storage available for an additional fee. Your full bath is brand new. Soft close cabinetry. You can see the solid surface countertops. Great big mirror with overhead lighting. Full-size shower and tub with that cool subway tile style surround. Lots of storage in that vanity. It's quite large. And then your second bedroom is here to the left. This can accommodate a queen-sized bed. Again, double windows looking out actually onto the ample parking. Fantastic space here. Located right off 101A. It's a great commuter location if you commute to Nashua, Merrimack, or Manchester. And here is the closet in the second bedroom. The closet space is just magnificent. You really can't go wrong. If you're interested in this apartment home, give us a call or text us at 603-673-1155. You can visit us online at redoakproperties.com to see all available apartments. Click the logo to subscribe to our YouTube channel, or click the playlist to see more great videos here at Milford Trails.